Greeting to you all. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can change the appearance of overall appearance and theme of Microsoft Edge. As you can see, I'm on a Microsoft Windows 10 operating system that I have highlighted here. And then that is Microsoft Windows version 10.0. So I'm going to close this command prompt and I'm going to click on the Edge software, which is a browser that comes installed with Microsoft Windows 10 when you install it as the default browser. You can, of course, install additional Firefox or Chrome when you want to, but I'm going to demonstrate on this one the default overall appearance and also the theme, that if you want to change it from one type to another one, how you get it. Right now it's a white background with all these other menus being a little bit darker side and there, like gray color. So I'm going to click on this setting in more, the three dots, which is also you can do alternate F. As you can see, alternate plus F will take you there. And then here you can just come in all the way down here under the setting. You see this kind of like a, what they call that one, setting in, this is like almost like a wheel of configuration. So this is what you click on the setting. And then here, I'm going to click on the appearance. When you click on the appearance, basically, you will be provided with these overall appearance here, dark, light, and system default. The system default is a combination of what I have now. If you want to change it to light, you can change it, or dark, you can change it. Also, you have these themes that you can just have this kind of theme on the background, as well as those option of dark and light. So let's say right now it is this, I'm going to change it to dark. And when you change it to dark, notice that the setting changed. And if you go back to the screens that are already open, if you right click here and click on refresh, this will also get to a dark background with the images that it is there. So once this is updated, similarly, if you go on Google, which is a white background, I can refresh that one. That will also get updated. So these were going to get updated. But if I open a new one, as soon as you open a new one, it is already with the background that you want. So let's say I close this one and I go back here on the white one and I refresh it here. And then that is automatically changed to that color. Notice the Google is all white now rather than the earlier colors. And this one is also, if I refresh it here, it should update it. And then that's already updated here. But this one and the dark is not yet done. So I'm going to refresh that one also and change it to the darker theme. And notice that it looks, depending on your appearance, some of the pages that are there, it looks much nicer, like my webuniversity.freeeducation.com, which is my YouTube channel for providing you free educational videos on Python, shell scripting, Unix, and Linux. You can watch all these videos and enjoy it. Please, as you go through them, make some comments so I can make improvement on it based on your needs. But also don't forget to subscribe so you get to be notified. And then these other ones, as we go here, if I change the theme, notice this one is the wider. In this information here, you could also, if you just had this screen closed, for example, and rather than coming here, clicking on it, you can also on the open a a new tab, and then on the URL tab, you can just type in that one. By default, will take you to the appearance setting there. So right here is appearance, because we have this slash appearance is going to do. If you click on profile, that notice that URL changes. So this is an easy way to just have it on the edge and then setting. So if I go on the appearance and then I change it back to white, text, and then at the same time I change this theme for dark stormy, and then so the interface is going to change based on the look, but you have to still refresh it to just see the update. And then if I refresh on the Google now, notice the Google sign is going to change to really nice kind of text with those colors. Even though the other ones are nice also, but sometimes depending on your browser, for different screen of different pages, you get different look and feel of it. So this one is also nice with white and dark background. And then if I go to my web university, for example, www.mywebuniversity.com, that's my website that I also put all these videos there. You can watch them here, and you can see that one Hold 3D has a darker background in these videos. And then as you go through the session, you will be provided with some ads as well as some. This is my direct, book called The Direct Path to Linux Ubuntu. You're welcome to learn Ubuntu just by following this book. It is just all online, available for you for free. You can just go through chapters, and each chapter I'm teaching certain topics, whether it's basic Unix commands or intermediate commands or advanced, or shell programming, or web programming, Apache Web, or something with documentation. All of that one is available. You're welcome to just go through them. And then as you go through each chapters, obviously, if you're learning shell programming, I have same kind of documentation, shell scripts here that you could just go and enjoy them and learn it and practice them, as well as you can just watch these videos that I already posted that are available for you. Okay, so this one already updated. Let's refresh it with the wider background. You can see now this the color that was Google sign always looked like that. And then this one already refreshed. This one is also refreshed already. So this is how it looks. And if I want to just go back to the darker theme, I go back here and then I choose this one. And then I say also make it the darker stormy, or just maybe cool slate, and then I could just do that one. Notice as you click on the theme, it changes. So if you click on any of these ones, depending on which one you click, you get a different interface. The one that I like is this one, or dark stormy, or even mystical forest. That looks okay. And sometimes if it is too dark and a little bit text that is darker, you cannot see it. So these ones seems to be very nice with all kind of text, with white color as well as dark colors. So this is what I'm going to choose one of them. And then now my theme is changed. And with this background, I like this one better. So I'm going to choose that one because it rhymes with the other formats. So that's what I'm gonna keep it. And then refreshing these windows, obviously, I'm gonna change it. If I close the entire browser, obviously it's going to just give me to the right coloring scheme that I had already. And then similarly for these other sites that I have, for example, if I go to, let's say chapter 4 on it, and then you can see that the chapter 4 advanced Linux Unix scripting. Basically, I have this table, which is about 88 advanced Unix command, and I have all of them made videos that you should be watching them. It is really nice, and show examples and details. Each one of those videos are more than 1 hour long, so you will be learning a lot of commands advanced level here. And these are very good, recommended for system administrator that want to be senior level and do a lot of mentoring to the junior essays. So that is something that you could do. If you're just learning the intermediate level, you just watch chapter 3, which is this 33 commands and all these videos that I made it for explaining them. Similarly, if you want to learn Linux, is chapter 2. Chapter 2 teaches you the basic of Unix and Linux commands, and everything is there. Okay, so let's just end this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to go to our channel. This is my Web University free educational videos. You're welcome to like our videos and subscribe to our channel and make some comments so I can just make sure that I could make videos that meets your needs. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye-bye.